Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you, my YouTube family and students? I hope you will be fine. So, students, we learn today Noorani Qaida lesson number 1, letter Ra to Za, pronunciation. So, let's start our lesson. Before going to start, I will request you please like and subscribe my channel because it's necessary for our motivation, and press bell icon also. So, let's start our lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Ra. This second heavy letter is sometime heavy and sometime light depending on the position in the Arabic word. Ra, Ra, Za, Za. The sound of this letter is pronounced from between the tongue and the teeth. Za, Za, Sin. This produces the sharp S-like sound. This letter comes from the same place as the previous letter. Sin, Sin, Sheen, Sheen. This letter comes from the middle of the tongue against the middle of the upper teeth palate. Sheen, Sheen. Sod, Sod. Tongue is placed behind the bottom teeth. Sod, Sod. Zod, Zod. This letter comes from the front flat part of the makhrij, of the lam makhrij. Zod, To, To. This letter also comes from the same place of the letter Sa, Ta, To, Zo, Zo. This letter comes from the same place as the letters Zal and Sa. Zo, Zo. Students, we have finished our lesson. If you ask any question about lesson, you can ask in comment box. I will trying to answer you soon, inshallah. So, okay. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.